Okay guys, so let's look at the student task statement called bedroom floor plan. Here's a rough sketch of Noah's bedroom. It's not drawn to scale. Noah wants to create a floor plan that is a scale drawing. Number 1, the actual length of wall C is 4 meters. To represent wall C, Noah draws a segment 16 centimeters long. What scale is he using? Explain or show your reasoning. So in previous lessons, I always told you guys that you want to divide the scale copy or the scale drawing, scale copy, measurements, divided by the original figure measurements. Okay? So, when I look at question 1, is there anything that I need to circle or annotate in order to answer this question? Well, there is, and that is the actual length of wall C is 4 meters. And then it says he wants to draw a segment that's 16 centimeters long. So in this question, you have to decide which number represents the scale copy and which one represents the original. So which one is the scale copy? Which number would it be? Would it be 16 or 4? If you guess 16, you are absolutely correct. Why 16? Because 16 is the drawing. The question indicates that Noah draws, and I'm going to underline that. Noah draws a segment that is 16 centimeters. So it'd be 16. Then the actual would be 4. If I was to divide that, then my scale factor would be, in fact, 4. Okay? You could have also said this. Okay? You could have said, oh, let me put it in a ratio format. And this is question number 2, which is find a different way. You could have put this in ratio format, which is 16 centimeters to 4 meters. Okay? So can this ratio simplify? This ratio, in fact, can simplify because they have a factor similar to each other, or a similar factor that they share, which a factor is just a number that can divide into both of these numbers. So if I break it down to its factors, it'll be 4 times 4, which represents 16, and 4 times 1, which represents meters. So I can circle the factor that they have in common, and I can cross it out because this is like me dividing by it, which is 4 centimeters to 1 meter. Now for question 3, it says discuss your thinking with your partner. How do your scales compare? So of course, we don't have a partner to discuss it with, but I'm going to show you guys one more way you could have determined a scale factor, which is, and I'm going to put this in, let's do purple or pink. I'm going to put this one in pink, a third way. I could have put 16 centimeters to 4 meters. I could have divided by 16 on both sides, and when I divide by 16 on both sides, I could have got 1 centimeter to 1/4 meter. Okay, so at home, I want you guys to really think about Would it be a difference with the scale factors? Is it, really important? Is it important to have the 4? Can it be different and so on? So I want you guys to think about that at home. And if you have any questions, make sure you visit your manager's meeting to reflect.